how's it going? So today is a tutorial on how to do a deep wave crimped hair. I think it's just very sexy and you can wear this anytime you want, like for the night, to go out, or just for the day. It gives you a lot of volume and I love it. It's like one of my favorite hairstyles. So, but yeah, if you guys are interested in how I got this look, then keep on watching. So the first thing that I did was actually parted my hair to make it much easier for me to do. So I'm going to be using my Bedhead Wave Artist. I actually got this from Macy's. So what you're going to do is you're going to take the first, like just a nice chunk of hair right here. And you're going to start out as close as you can get to your roots, but without burning yourself. And you're just going to clamp it down. And you're going to hold it for a few seconds. Then you move next, as you can see. Clamp it down again. And then move it a little bit over. So you're kind of getting those zigzags right there. That's what you want to get, the waves. Grab a piece, clamp, hold for like 3 seconds. Move, clamp it again, and keep on going until you get to your last strand of hair. See, and that's how it should look like. Oops, just like that. Get close, clamp it down. Clamp it down. Move to the next. Hold it. Almost sounds like a song. Move to the next. Alright. So here I finished the bottom half. And this is how it's starting to look. It's very wavy and cute, and I love it. So I'm going to show you how I do the top half now. Okay, so I sectioned it off again. So you're just going to take the top part of your hair, like a good chunk, and then you're going to take your crimper just like so, and clamp it as close as you can get without burning yourself. And I'm kind of burning myself a little. And then you're going to move to the next, clamp again, and hold it, move again. I'm getting tired. That's what happens when you have thick hair. And my hair used to be so much longer. I miss it so much. I kind of cut it a little to make it healthier. Alright, so just remember the hairspray, just like that. You kind of spray your hair a little, and flip it like this, and you can see the volume. It's going to look better when I finish. All you got to do is hairspray, just like that. And just fluff your hair up. There we go, we're finished. So voluminous. What do you think? Thanks for watching, and don't forget to go check out my Facebook page and like it, and also my Twitter. Go follow me on Twitter, okay? Because I have a new Twitter. Actually, I've had it for a while, but I barely use it, but now I've been using it. So yeah, go follow it, and stay tuned for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.